One of the most useful tools we have for a file server is the File Server Resource Manager, which is always called FSRM. This allows me to have additional control over managing file shares that you normally don't have. The two big things I can do with this, one is to create quotas. So I can create a quota for a specific folder. Now, two advantages come with that. One advantage is I can now monitor how much content is saved in that location. So I could have a quota that says, if this has more than 5 gigs of data, I want you to send me an email, or I want a notification, or I want an event to be logged in Event Viewer if this exceeds a certain amount of data. You could also use it to actually enforce a quota and limit the amount of space consumed for a specific folder. So if I think this folder should never have more than 10 gigs of data, I can simply set a hard quota limit. It will not allow you to have more than 10 gigs. We would have to increase that quota limit. This is a per folder configuration. Now, the significance of this being per folder, there are other types of quotas you can use, but they apply to the entire drive. They're not efficient and nobody's going to use those anymore. So this is per folder, makes it much more user-friendly. The other big component to this is a file screen. This would allow you to monitor and block, if you choose, files based on the file extension. An example of this, if I have a folder and we believe this folder should only have data in it, like PDF files, Word documents, maybe PowerPoint presentations, spreadsheets, content like that. It should never have an exe file, should never have a script saved into it. Then I can have a file extension that would only allow certain file extensions to be saved. Now, both are pretty easy to configure. It is more planning of exactly what types of files you want in what folder, how much space you want to allow to be consumed in a specific folder. So this is one of those technologies that is like 99% planning, 1% implementation.